Today we are going to learn Urdu with a story called Overcoat. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. I've produced countless videos over the past few years and you can check out my channel to learn the tenses, grammar. You can learn Urdu through movies and stories and etc. Sometimes in my classes I teach Urdu through stories, movies and songs, so I thought I'll do that on YouTube as well. So how we're going to do it is we can read a sentence and I can point out difficult vocabulary and overall meaning of the sentence. So let's get started. The story is written beautifully by Ghulam Abbas. A lot of my polyglot students who read short stories by Mantu, Ghulam Abbas, Ibn Insha during my classes. So in Overcoat, you'll see that Ghulam Abbas provides details of people's movement to create this realistic picture. I won't spoil the plot of this story, so let's get started with reading. You can see the title is Overcoat. There are two wow here, right? So wow indicates the sound of W and V in Urdu. Therefore, probably you will notice that South Indians cannot distinguish between Va and Wa because there's only one letter for that. So overcoat, overcoat. Now we'll move forward. The writer is Ghulam Abbas. Ghulam Abbas. जनवरी की एक शाम, जनवरी की एक शाम को एक खुशपोश, खुशपोश, खुशपोश means someone who dresses nicely. खुशपोश. जनवरी की एक शाम को एक खुशपोश नौजवान, नौजवान is a young guy, नौजवान. As you can see, it's very close together, so it's very difficult to see which letter belongs to which word. This is a common problem, but this is how a lot of stories are written. Davis Road, Davis Road से गुजर कर मॉल रोड पर पहुंचा, पहुंचा, पहुंचा means reached. So जनवरी की एक शाम को एक खुशपोश नौजवान डेविस रोड से गुजर कर माल रोड पर पहुंचा. So जनवरी की एक शाम को in the evening of January, एक खुशपोश नौजवान, a well dressed guy, डेविस रोड से गुजर कर, he passed Davis Road and he reached Mall Road. पहुंचा is reached. और Charing Cross का रुख करके, Charing Cross, here it is, का रुख करके towards Charing Cross. So there are a lot of English words as you can see. रुख करके, खरामा खरामा, खरामा खरामा means slowly slowly. खरामा खरामा पटरी पर चलने लगा. पटरी is the rail track. चलने लगा, started walking. So laga is attached with infinitive verb here to indicate the beginning of something. So he started walking slowly on the track. I'm not focusing on each and every word or the grammar because this lesson is for advanced students. ये नौजवान अपनी तराश खराश से खासा फैशनेबल मालूम होता था. ये नौजवान, this guy, ये नौजवान अपनी तराश खराश से, with his build, appearance, खासा like a lot, fashionable मालूम होता था. He seemed like a fashionable guy. Fashionable मालूम होता था from his appearance and from his build and from his dressing style. Palme is sideburns. Like this. Like this. sideburns. लंबी लंबी कलमें. चमकते हुए बाल. चमकते हुए means shining. चमकते हुए is an adjective. चमकते हुए बाल. बाल means hair and it's plural. बारीक बारीक. Thin. बारीक बारीक. Very thin. मूछें. मूछें is mustache. मूछें. गोया as if. सुरमे की सिलाई से बनाई गई हों. सुरमे की सिलाई से बनाई गई हों. So he has long sideburns, very shiny hair, very thin mustache, as if it's drawn on his face with a marker. Surma here, this word, surma. Surme ki silai se banai gayi ho. So surma basically is not a marker. In South Asia, it's something like a kajal. For example, here you can see this is surma. Very famous brand here. So silai is this. This thing is silai. So somebody drawn it from surme ki silai on his face. It seemed like. बादामी बादामी रंग. तो बादामी रंग का गरम ओवरकोट पहने हुए. बादामी रंग इज गरम ओवरकोट पहने हुए. He was wearing warm and cozy overcoat. Like this, as you can see. This is brown color. जिसकी काज में. जिसके काज में. काज is a buttonhole. जिसके काज में शरबती रंग के गुलाब का. शरबती रंग के गुलाब का means like a reddish color. I'm not sure what color is sharbati rang. Probably it's lilac or probably it's red. Gulab is rose. का एक अध खिला फूल अटका हुआ. So here you can see ad khila. Now because there are no diacritic, it's so difficult to read, right? Because you can also read it as khula, but it is basically khila, like half bloomed. Phool atka hua tha. There's a flower in his buttonhole. Like this is a buttonhole, right? And there is a flower like this. Or this. It is lashed on his buttonhole. Atka hua. सर पर सब्ज फ्लैट हैट एक ख़ास अंदाज से टेढ़ी रखी हुई थी. सर पर on his head subs. Subs means green. Subs. Flat hat is you know what, it's an English word like this, like Thomas Shelby wears in Peaky Blinders. I think that this is what flat hat is. एक ख़ास अंदाज से, like in a special manner, in a special way. ख़ास is a special, अंदाज is a manner or way, in a special style. से टेढ़ी रखी हुई थी. टेढ़ी means tilted or not straight. रखी हुई, it was kept, it was fixed in a tilted manner. So all of this seemed like he was a fashionable guy. सफ़ेद सिल्क का. Silk is silk. Silk का गुलूबंद. Guluband is neck scarf. Guluband, or it can also be scarf as well. गले के off neck के गिर्द लिपटा हुआ था. के गिर्द means around, it's a pose position. के गिर्द लिपटा हुआ था. लिपटा हुआ means it was wrapped around his neck. A neck scarf, a white silk neck scarf like this. You can see like this. So एक हाथ कोट की जेब में. One hand was in the pocket of his coat. दूसरे में, in the second one, in the other one, बेद की. बेद is kind of wood. बेद की एक छोटी means small or short. छड़ी means a cane. पकड़े हुए means he was holding it. He was holding a cane in his other hand. जिसे कभी कभी मज़े में आके घुमाने लगता था means he twirls it around. ये हफ्ते की शाम थी. It is the evening of Saturday. It was Saturday evening. भरपूर जाड़े का ज़माना. भरपूर means on the peak of, like it was a peak winter night or winter evening. Jada is winter. Bharpoor jade ka zamana. It was the period of winter. Zamana is period. So it was a very cold night. Sard or tund hawa. Very cold wind. Sard is cold. Tund is very fierce or very sharp. किसी तेज धार की तरह, like a very sharp knife, like it was needles, this wind की तरह, like needles, जिस्म body पर आकर लगती. So this wind was quite torturous in a way. Hits you like needles. मगर इस नौजवान पर इसका कुछ असर मालूम नहीं होता था. मगर but इस नौजवान पर, on this young guy, इसका of this कुछ असर, effect, मालूम नहीं होता था. There was no effect. It seemed like he had no effect. He took no effect of this cold, bleak wind. और लोग खुद को गरम करने के लिए, and other people, the people in the surrounding, खुद को means themselves, गरम करने के लिए, to make them warm, to make their body warm. तेज means fast. कदम उठा रहे थे. They were stepping fast and they were taking fast steps to make their body heat up. मगर इसे, इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But इसे, it is referring to the guy, the young guy. इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी. He has no need of this. He was walking as if it was a bright summer day. जैसे इस कड़कड़ाते जाड़े में इसे टहलने में बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा हो. जैसे as if, like, इस कड़कड़ाते जाड़े में, like this extreme winter, इसे टहलने में, इसे again means this guy. This is the short form of इसको basically. इसको टहलने में बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है, as if he's enjoying this stroll in this extreme bad winter night. इसकी चाल ढाल से, from his gait, चाल ढाल is a gait, से ऐसा बांकपन टपकता था. बांकपन means youthfulness. टपकता था, drips. टपकना is to drip. टपकता था, like his gait was full of youthfulness and he was full of energy and positivity. के that तांगे वाले people, so this is tanga. As you can see, people still use it as a mode of commute in India and Pakistan. Not a lot, but in some parts. So this is tanga. Tange wale, the people who were riding these tangas, dur se hi, like from afar, दूर से ही means from afar, देखकर, they used to see him. सरपट, सरपट घोड़ा दौड़ाते हुए. सरपट means in a hurry, घोड़ा दौड़ाते हुए. They'll run towards him hurriedly. इसकी तरफ लपकते. इसकी तरफ means towards him. इसकी तरफ means towards him. लपकते. They'll come. Lapakna is to attack. So they'll come towards him because he seemed like a rich guy basically. मगर वो छड़ी के इशारे से नहीं कर देता. मगर वो छड़ी के इशारे से नहीं कर देता. With the help of his cane, he gestures no with his cane like this. एक खाली टैक्सी भी इसे देखकर रुकी. रुकना is to stop. एक खाली, खाली means empty. An empty taxi as well, भी means as well, इसे देखकर रुकी. After seeing him, it stopped. मगर इसने no thank you कहकर इसे भी टाल दिया. टाल दिया means got rid of him. Or got rid of the taxi. So he said no thank you and moved forward. जैसे जैसे means as वो माल रोड के ज़्यादा बारौनक हिस्से की तरफ पहुंचता जाता था. As he was moving माल रोड के ज़्यादा, the more hustle and bustle of Mall Road, as he is moving towards the more crowded part of the Mall Road. Baronak means more crowded with more people. की तरफ पहुंचता जाता था. As he was reaching, पहुंचता जाता था means reaching towards. इसकी चौंचाली बढ़ती जाती थी. चौंचाली is like the energy and the mischievousness in his gait and in his manner. His stroll becomes more energetic. बढ़ती जाती थी. It started increasing. बढ़ना is to increase. वो मुंह से with mouth सीटी बजा के रक्स की एक अंग्रेजी धुन निकालने लगा. वो मुंह से सीटी बजा के, like he started whistling. मुंह से with the mouth, सीटी बजा के, while whistling रक्स की, a dancing tune. अंग्रेजी धुन means an English tune. निकालने लगा. निकालना is to take something out, but here it means he was whistling this tune with his mouth. इसके साथ ही इसके पाँव भी, इसके साथ ही along with this, इसके साथ ही इसके पाँव भी, his feet, थरकते हुए उठने लगे. थरकते हुए उठने लगे. Like making me remember this scene from Peter Parker. Okay, so एक दफ़ा जब आसपास कोई नहीं था, nobody was around, आसपास कोई नहीं था, nobody was around, तो यगबारगी means suddenly. When nobody was around, at one moment, कुछ ऐसा जोश आया. He became so energetic. Something took over him. कि इसने दौड़कर, like while running, झूठ मूठ, like fake, झूठ मूठ is fake, बॉल देने की कोशिश की means like this. He's feeling so nice and he's feeling such energy that he kind of gestured like this, like he was throwing a ball. गोया क्रिकेट का खेल हो रहा हो, as if it was a game of cricket. क्रिकेट का खेल हो रहा हो, as if it is a game of cricket. Okay, so this was one whole page. I don't want to make it longer, this video, so I'm gonna stop here. If you like this video and you want me to make more of these kind of videos, comment down below. I want to make the videos that my viewers like and they really enjoy. So if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section. I will continue this series, otherwise I'll discontinue. If you want to get a PDF file of the words and verbs, you can become a patron. It will motivate me to continue making these videos. Hope you have a lovely day and goodbye.